guys to our second haul video of our little outing today that me and the middle Yinzer had. This was an estate sale haul, and as I mentioned before, you guys know I hate going to estate sales that companies run. Well, today was totally different. This company that ran this one was totally fair with their prices. They didn't mark stuff up super high. This box we got right here, which I don't want to really show you anything that's in here. This box, this whole box is full with stuff, and we got for a grand total of $45. So I'm going to show you what's in here, and hopefully, yeah, we'll see how. Let us know how we did below. First, we got this Xbox One stereo headset. I think it's brand new in box. It's just a little damaged, but everything is still in there. I was trying to think of a price, but I don't really know. I think he gave it to me for $6 in the end. Next, remotes. Comcast remote, and then a DirecTV remote. Now I took the DirecTV remote out of the living room. I'm hoping they didn't need it, but I don't think they did. I'm hoping they didn't. So we got a nice brand new DirecTV remote. It was actually sitting in the little caddy that they had next to the chair. But you know me and remotes, I'll take them all day. Pittsburgh coffee mug. It's actually really nice. I think he gave it to me for 50 cents. So really cool.
I like that.
Yeah, nice cool it's actually a big coffee mug too.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
Then we have this shirt. This was $2. It's from the 66th annual motorcycle rally in 2006 in Sturgis, South Dakota. So it's kind of a little, I want to say vintage shirt. It's a 2XL. I think it's actually going to do pretty well. Sturgis stuff does sell, and I've sold Sturgis shirts before, so I figure for $2 I'm going to pick it up. You can't wear shoes right now, kid. And then, I'll save that one for next. We picked up this mini with some, like a winter coat. This is from the Disney store. I don't see a date on it. Really good shape though. I think they gave it to me for 50 cents a piece. For this one and the next thing I'm about to show you. That was really cool.
Someone's gonna like that.
Then, this one I thought was even cooler.
Aww.
It's a Mickey, but it has a Pluto hat and Pluto slippers on it.
That's so cute.
Brand new with the tags from the authentic original Disney Parks tag with the price of $26.99 on it.
Oh,
wow.
This is called 12-inch Goodnight Mickey Mouse plush. $26.95 Disney with the tag.
and it sure has Pluto on it.
Yeah,
That's so
shirt has
cute.
Pluto. I thought that was really cool.
Yeah, I basically found it.
And then, I don't know how I'm going to pull all this out.
Yeah,
I'll just go down in.
These are all from the, I think, from the 90s. The first one that caught my attention was this one. Riverboat Series. It's a stamp. Postal Service stamp. I think that sells for about $10. But all these Hot Wheels in here. Tons of them. All these. Brand new, in the package. Hot Wheels haulers. There's the Super Bubble. There's the Bell South one with the race car. There's a bunch of NASCAR ones in here. Okay, here's this one. There's this hauler. It has a little bit of yellowing to it, but it is also from 1999. All these in here, they wanted $2 a piece. Well, I wasn't gonna count. I told the guy. I said, look. He said, yeah, $2 a piece. And these are from Family Toy. These are old. So he said $2 a piece on the box. Actually, it's right here. $2 each. Right here. $2. I said, how much for the whole box? He said, make me an offer. I said 20. He said, how about 30? I said, how about 25? He said, how about 30? I thought, well, you know what? If 3 of these cars sells for $10, I'm making money on the box. So I got all this for $30.
If you guys know anything about any of these,
and they're all in pretty good. They're all in pretty good shape too. I mean, this one's actually the one I grabbed out. It's actually a little beat up. That was from 1997.
Really
Super Bubble. There's a Jeff Burton car. I mean, people love NASCAR stuff. I don't even know who that is. Yeah, that was actually pretty good too.
if you know anything about this, just comment below.
But there's tons of them in here. I mean, it's some cool. Actually, look at that car. Look at that. Look at that McDonald's car.
Pretty
Bill Elliott. Look at that. That's kind of cool.
Some collectors gotta know about these.
Mostly these are all from the 90s. I mean, there's a lot of Hot Wheels. I mean, telephone maintenance hauler. It was $29.99 at Kmart.
Wow.
You know what I'm gonna do? You know what my phone has that this to again?
Nope.
Oh, look at this one. Where else are you gonna find a Remington Arms one? Oh, here's my phone. Let's look up this Remington Arms one real quick. They got it for $1. Actually, I don't even see any of it coming up. There's a bunch of the codes coming up for some of the other vehicles though. Let's see. At $15 free shipping. So right there, there's Circuit City. I don't even think there's any Circuit Cities around anymore. See how much this Hot Wheels one goes for. Hot Wheels usually do better. It's weird because you scan the code and it's coming up the haulers, but not the specific hauler. So I'll have to do a little bit more research on these. I mean, it looks like maybe $10, maybe even more, depending on how rare these ones are. Let's see. So there's like an Apple, yeah. So most of these are all like maybe $5, $10. Some of them, Whoppers, Milk Duds. I don't even see this one popping up though. I think we might have actually hit the jackpot with some of these. Oh, look at that one.
That's a cool one.
Fisher Price hauler. Let's scan that one real quick while we're here. Let me search it because it actually shows the haulers on the back, which ones it could like in this series. Fisher Price Hot Wheels.
Oh, I gotta kind of hurry.
She wants her shoes on.
She needs to go to bed.
About $10. So I think we did really well, guys. And I'm going to let her finish this one again.
Can Middle Yinzer do it?
Sure.
Okay. Be kind. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And
Keep picking.
bye.